Hello friends, today I am going to repair tire puncture using puncture kit bought from Amazon. And this is my car Tata Nexon with a screw inside the front tire. First I need to remove it. Then using this tool I make a big hole, and this is big hole enough to pierce the tire thickness that can be felt easily. Now this is the puncture rubber kit, and this need to be inserted into this tool supplied. And finally I applied the glue on the rubber. This is then pushed inside the hole, and then after inserting to some distance I've pulled it out fastly, and this is done. And this takes about just a 8-minute workout time.